Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this awesome light. I get so depressed and down during the cold winter months, and these are like little sunlights. It actually has all this nice natural light that you can bring in, control it either with the remote that has batteries included, or just by simply touching this, you can actually control all of the different levels. So you've got 5 different levels. You've got a timer, so you can actually see it on here. You've got a 30, 60, 90, or a 120-minute timer. And there are different modes. So you have different colors for all of the different settings that you want, including red light. So this is really nice because that's also very calming for at nighttime. You have your little nighttime setting here that you can just press on there, dims it down. I mean, you can bring up your color settings to super bright. You can change kind of that coloring onto all the different colors that you have. And if you're not quite sure which light to use, it's kind of cool. On the remote, they have one like, here, I'm gonna do my coffee in the morning. So you press one that looks like coffee, or you're gonna do some reading. Like, it has preset times for you, your gaming light, and then like a computer monitor light. So that way you don't have that blue light kind of looking at you or anything like that. And it just really kind of helps wake up your body, get you going. So that is really nice. I mean, this gets super bright, and it's really nice that you can control it right here, because there's a lot of times that I can't find remotes, and having little things stuck right on top is really nice. But this is a beautiful red night light that you can use whether it's daytime or nighttime.